Hi everyone, it's Gail in my echoing new house. It's real empty. The movers just left out of here. I am standing right by the front door. I better show you that. I'm standing right by the front door. Isn't that pretty on the front door? Love that. Okay, we're just gonna do a quick little walk around. My daughter Amy, who's our realtor, she has her dad outside and they're measuring some things. So you come in the front door and the first right is a master suite. So that's showing out the front. And then this is the bedroom. Okay, I'm gonna shut off lights as I go. Then the bathroom for the guest areas right here. And then there is a linen closet right there. So I love this, that it's just kind of got its own space. Let me turn off the bathroom light here. I'll show you the counter while we're doing that. It's always a fun feature, right? Okay, so then what's cool about the guest suite is, look, it's got a little pocket door so the guests have their own spot. It's just all very private. Of course, there's bathroom and bedroom door, but there's also that to kind of do that. Let's see, we'll go this way. We'll go always to the right. So this is the living room. They left the bracket for the TV, which was real nice. I love the windows on either side of the fireplace. And that goes out to the deck. Unfortunately, it is super smoky here, so I can't even show you the awesome view we have, but it's an awesome view of, we have a mountain formation that is called the Sleeping Giant. This is Mike's kitchen. And he's already figuring out where he's gonna put stuff. So Mike's kitchen, little bar area here. And this is a pantry in here, right beside the fridge, just super handy. The previous owners on the cupboard, they left some paint. They left a really nice note about, you know, enjoying the home and stuff. This is the dining room. And again, it has incredible views that you cannot see. I'll have to do another video when it clears up so that you can see. But then this is the master, also looking out on the views. The master bedroom. And then I need to have the carpet cleaned, but that's okay. Then the master bath, master bath, and a little window in the potty part. And then this is our ginormous closet, big old clothes closet. So we're on the, let's see, the diagonally, oops, I left the light on. Diagonally from the guest room. And so it's kind of like, you know, you have a little privacy there. Okay, so that light. And then we're back out to the kitchen and living room and dining room. So we're gonna just, it's got under counter lighting. Mike is so excited about that. It just cracks me up. Yeah, he thinks that's pretty cool. Oh, dining room lights. Can't do wrong by my realtor. See, there's the, okay, that, what are those two? Okay, those, and then over here must be the dining room. That's that one. Not sure how to get that one. Oh, there it is. It's off. Okay. This is the area going into our bedroom. So I think I got all those lights. Sorry, I just really whipped you around quick. Okay, so let's figure, that's off, okay. And then the lights in here, and there's a fan in the living room, which I think is pretty cool. We don't have that now. So that is that. Now I'm backing up back down the entryway, guest room. And then on this side, we have, first of all, that's the door to the garage. And then the door to the stairs, I'll take you down there in a second. This is a coat closet right here. So nice coat closet there. And then this is the utility room. Nice sink and spot for washer and dryer, right? Okay, let's shut the light off in there. And then this is Mike's office. So Mike will have his desk in here. He'll have some of his exercise equipment and stuff in here. So that'll be awesome. Okay, I'm gonna shut off the hallway light and we'll go downstairs where the magic's gonna happen someday when I get it unpacked. So we go down these stairs, which this is why we're moving. So Mike doesn't ever have to come down here and he can just live on the main level. So the downstairs is all framed out. It's all framed out, and for the most part, it is insulated and everything. So we just have to get someone in to do outlets. Oh, there is an outlet there. I didn't remember that. That's awesome. Because I could run something to my craft room. Okay, I think, so this is a closet, and I think I'm gonna have the contractor guy take this out and make so that I can have a big huge storage area, closet, right? But I think that's just wasted space. If they close that off, it's just kind of wasted space to me. So anyway, let's see, where should we go? Let's continue down this way. So that's a big closet here. And then on this side, there's room for, and the stubbing in for a washer dryer down here. I doubt that we do much with that because we don't really need a washer dryer down here at this point. Okay, on the other side, this will be a guest bedroom eventually. All the furniture that Maddie is using right now will be in here. And then this is, it's already got its closet all stubbed in all framed in and everything. So this is one bedroom, utility room across the hall. Okay, then bathroom is all stubbed in. So at some point we'll do that. It doesn't have to happen tomorrow. Then this room. Guess what this room is? Can you guess? This is gonna be my new craft room, you guys. Isn't it awesome with those windows? Yeah, so I'm gonna go in the corner and show you back the other way. But see, it's got a closet already framed in and stuff. So my plan is, while we're moving, is to just put a table in the middle and have my rolly carts, thank you again, Susan, rolly carts there, and be able to create in that space while they're constructing. I don't know how much we're gonna do. We're at least gonna get the electrical in and the HVAC, the heat and stuff. So then this is another bedroom. So there's 3 bedrooms down here. And so this bedroom, my thought is, I think I'll put like a twin bed in here. And it's got a big closet. Like both of the closets are like walk-in closets, I would say, because they're really pretty big. Anyway, a twin bed, and then use this for storage for like my papers that I need to refer to grab for different journals, all that kind of stuff. So we're gonna walk back this way. So you've seen this half, and then there's where the stairs come down. So then here, I showed you this storage area for a closet, and then the utilities and stuff are in here. So of course, this could be used for storage also. But then there's this big family room. And so I think what I envision at some point is I would love this wall to have built-in bookshelves. And then, you know, we can do our TV and stuff. You know, it looks like they have a gas pipe here that could be like another fireplace. I don't know. And then it just goes out here. There will probably be houses built across, which is great. But they had a hot tub and they took that out. But we're gonna ask the electrical guy if he can get rid of that, because we're just gonna put a table and some chairs. But then I'm thinking this corner for my jigsaw puzzles. Wouldn't that be fun? A little table and some chairs for jigsaw right there. Yeah, so this is kind of the view from in the family room at this end. But I'm grateful that it's already all mapped out and all framed out, because that'll be awesome. Okay, so I'll just head back up the stairs. I got to figure out how to do the lights down here, which I think is just right here, right? Yes, all off except this one. Why are you not off? Does it have another switch? Oh, yep, there it is. It does. It has a light switch. Okay, so all the lights are off. That's good. We're gonna go upstairs. There's the stairs. The stairs are imposing. They are. I mean, it's gonna be, and the carpet is really soft. And so, yeah, I don't think Mike will be coming down there much. Okay, and it's nice because it has a door to close off. Okay, guys. Well, that's it. I just wanted to give you a quick walk around so you could see. Yeah, I love it. So thanks so much, everybody, for helping us with this move. Lots to do still. We got to get in here. But anyway, have a grateful day. Be kind always. We'll see you next time. Bye.